Well, hey there guys, and welcome back to Barnsley's World. I'm so glad to be back on here again with another video. Anyway, you'll see some amazing planes here in my plane spotting video today. I hope you really enjoy it. There's a whole range of different planes. One thing that was also awesome to see was this amazing helicopter that was flying across the skies, which was hard to capture. One of the things we also saw was one of the Alliance planes being moved across the airfield, across to a hangar, which is something I don't usually get to capture, so it was really cool. Also guys, one of the things we also got to see was these smaller twin prop planes, which were really amazing to see when they come into land. Now this next plane you're about to see on the tarmac, which happens to be an Air New Zealand plane, which has the black and white livery on its tail. Also guys, this last aircraft that you're now seeing is a budget airline from Qantas called Jetstar. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'd just love if you'd like and subscribe and even leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye for now.